Hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. So in this video I will talk about the roadmap for CSE student, that is Computer Science Engineering student. So this is a very important video for all of you, as many of the students have asked me to make a video on roadmap for CSE student or any other branch. So first of all I will consider the CSE student, and if you don't belong from CSC branch, then you can comment below your branch, or you can also contact me on Instagram, so to ask on which branch you want the video, so I will make the similar video on that branch also. So in this video I will talk about all the things you need to know, so to start your PTech course from 2021 that you are going to start. So in this video I will cover these many topics: the programming, how you should do the programming and which programming language you should start with, and how to score good in your semester, that is first and second, that is very important for you, and the skills that you should learn in first year so as to get a good placement after your BTech, and how much CGPA is required for the placement, what CGPA is good for you. So I will talk about that, and what are the do's and don'ts that you should consider during the first year. I will talk about that, and last I will talk about whether the laptop is required in first semester or not. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the upcoming videos also. I will provide every information for you that you need in the first year of your college. So just subscribe my channel so that you will get those videos, and please watch this video till the end. I assure you that you will get all the knowledge and the path that you need to follow for your computer science course in the first year. So, what is programming? If you haven't done any course, or if you don't have a C or C plus in your, or Python in your class 12, then don't worry. It will be easier for you to understand from the scratch, that is from a start. If you don't know anything, don't worry. If someone knows and you don't know, then don't feel demotivated, because all the student will be provided the same information in the college, or you can also learn through any in online platform also. So don't worry if you haven't any prior idea about this. So you should start programming as soon as possible. If you haven't started your college, that will start from 5 days or 10 days later, or if you have started, then also for all the student it is very important to start programming as soon as possible, because this is the base of your computer science course. So try to start with C, it is my advice, because in second semester you will have a paper on your university exam, so you have to clear that exam also. So if you study C at the beginning, then it will be very helpful for you. And next is, you can also start with other also. If you think you should start with Python, you can do, but I will advise C is better to start with, and after that you will you can easily learn any other language that will be similar to this, and try to find time for this as much as you can, because this is the main thing for your course, because programming is the base of every CSE student, and you will be used programming for all throughout the 4 years, and also in the uh, placement time also. So this is the base, so you should uh, find time for this, and always learn by doing practically. If you learn from YouTube or any book or any teacher, then try to execute that in your laptop. So I will discuss about whether laptop is required or not at the last of this video. And so if you want a question related to C programming, you can ask me in comment section or on my Instagram. I will provide you a PDF in which you will got all the question related to C programming, which will be used in in the second semester and also throughout the your BTech course. So just try to build your own logic, don't copy the code. That is, you should try to learn the concept, and after that get the question and try to do the coding by yourself, by applying all the knowledge that you get through the books or your teacher. So don't copy the code. If you copy the code, that means you don't going to learn anything. You are just copying from one place to another place, so that will not help much. So try to write code by your own, and then if you have error in that, you can check by on internet or any from any book. You can match the your code and that code, so it will be helpful. So this is all about the programming. You should start as soon as possible. This is my advice to all the students, especially who is from computer science, because this is video is for only the computer science student. So next is how to score good GPA, that is CGPA or SGPA. So it is also important points that should be considered during your course. And in the first of all, I would like to tell you that GPA is not everything, but a good GPA will provide you opportunity to sit in good companies, and you should try to get above 8 CGPA in first semester or second semester also, because in the first and second semester syllabus is rather easy than all other semesters. So and you have time so much, so you can easily score more marks. So try to get more marks in the first and second semester, so that in the after semester, if you don't get good marks, then it will be balanced. So you just need to focus on the teacher notes to score good marks. Don't do anything trying your best to get a skill from online course, any other information from YouTube or any online platform, but for scoring good marks you just need to focus on your teacher, and that will be enough for scoring good marks. So submit your assignment on time. That will increase your internal marks and makes your attendance above 75. That will also carry some marks. And try to solve previous year questions before exam, and also score good in internal exam, so as to get overall good internal marks. And if you score good in the semester exam, then your GPA will automatically will be good. So this is all about how to score good CGPA or SGPA. And so always try to make balance between those, to how much time you should give on scoring good CGPA, and how much time you should give on a skill, because a skill will decide everything for you. Because I know if you have choose CSE branch, then it is the main reason for this is only that is placement. So for placement you need to develop your skill more. So next is which type of skill you should learn in the first year. So programming should be your first, that I have told earlier, and communication skill is must. So try to enhance your communication skill through online course. You can do the course from any online platform, and try to be a disciplined student. If you are disciplined, then all the work will be done on time by you automatically. So do course from NPTEL and Coursera. If you think which one is better, you can, or I would recommend Coursera if you can afford it, but you can also do from NPTEL, that is certification course. You can also do the course by free. You will not get any certificate, but that will increase your skill. So English speaking course is must, because during placement time English speaking is very must. So you should try to get those skill in first year, because in first year you have so much time to develop your skill, because after that in the third fourth semester you will not have so much time, because you have to study so much, like so much subject to clear the university exam. So secure a CGPA between 7 to 8, that will be enough. Don't try to get more than a 9 CGPA or 10 CGPA, because that will not help much. Because after all the skill will be matter more, because CGPA will only provide you the opportunity, but to get those opportunity you need to have good skills with you. So next is what is do's and don'ts. So try to explore as much as you can by meeting different people, different teachers, and all the things, so you can get a good experience. Always find time to learn newer skill, because in the first year you have time because class hour will be less in first year. So try to take advice from your senior, that will help very much for you, because they know the exact path that you need to follow, so they will they can advise you in a better way. So learn by practice. You can you just learn anything from any source and do practice on your laptop or your computer, so that will increase your skill, as you will learn by practicing, so that will be in your mind for a long time. And try to be proactive always. And suppose if some Python course or any course in third semester, so if you can study in the first year or itself, or in first semester or second semester, that will be very active, and that will be very helpful for you, because in future you will use that and you will get much more idea about it. So what is don'ts? So don't learn theoretically. Suppose if you are learning something from book and just making notes and don't doing the practice, so that will not help you, because this is not like a math physics that you learn by practicing only theoretically. So don't waste your time do unnecessary work, as I told. And don't try to score 10 CGPA, or I mean by 10 CGPA, that is, CGPA is not everything. You need to do learn you a skill, new a skill, and upgrade your skill day by day. So by sacrificing the newer skill, if you are scoring good CGPA, then that is not good for you. And don't argue much with your teachers, that will decrease your internal marks, so be aware for this, because some marks are really in the hands of the teacher that teaches you in the class. So next is the most important, the last topic, that is laptop is required or not. So I think if you are watching the video from start, you have got the idea that laptop is very necessary in the first semester, or I would say in the from the first day itself. So it is very must to have a laptop with you, because you are a CSE student. If you have, then okay. If not, try to get it as soon as possible. If you don't have, then try to get it as soon as possible. I mean that if you don't have the laptop now, then try to get uh, at least from second semester itself. So you can't learn new skill without this. So suppose I am giving you an example, that if you are investing 5 to 10 lakh in engineering course, and you can't spend 5 to 50 to 60,000 in a good laptop, then that is not helpful, because everything will be depend on laptop, because you will use this throughout the course, and after that in your placement also you will use this device. So it is very much to have a laptop. So this is all about the roadmap for CSE student, that is computer science student. That is the path that you need to follow in the first year to get most out of this first year, because the syllabus is not very much important related to your course, because in the first year all the syllabus will be same, that is all the branch have same syllabus. But if you develop some skill, that will be used in the future years and the upcoming years. So try to use and maximize this time, as you will not get that much time in the third or second year. So hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel, and for further branch similar video I will upload. So wait, and share this video to your friends also, and like this video. Thanks.